you. Sis Merly. Kumusta sis? Ayan ang camera guys. Sa likod ko lang yung camera ha. Ayan. Ayan. Guys, inaantay ko yung aking mga anak guys. Kasi check up ng aking anak. Hello, salamat sa thumbs up sis Merly. Dito ako guys. Beautiful weather guys ngayon. 18 degrees po yata kami guys. Ayan o, maganda ang aming panahon ngayon. Although fall is coming. Fall is coming. ASMR, hello sis. Yes, no much. How are you sis? Sis, you know what? I just woke up when you finish your live. How are you sis? I left my desktop sis playing to your live earlier. Where I'm waiting to my two boys. We are going to the hospital for his checkup sis. See, I'm outside the house now sis. See, look. I'm outside the house now. I'm just waiting for them. Shading. That's my son, guys. You cannot wait for Ading not.